In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage trade crypto on LBank step by step, super simple and beginner friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign up, deposit, convert funds to USDT, transfer to your futures wallet, open your first leverage trade, and manage it safely. Plus, I'll show you how to claim up to 50,000 USDT in exclusive bonuses, including 0 spot trading fees, a 100% deposit bonus, and some huge transfer and trading volume rewards. All right, let's get started. First things first, you need an LBank account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the exclusive welcome bonus page. Only by using my link will you unlock the full new user bonus package. Make sure you're creating a fresh account to fully enjoy these bonuses. Now just click the sign up button. You can register using your email, phone number, or even sign up with Google, Apple, Telegram, MetaMask, or Phantom Wallet, whatever's easiest for you. For this tutorial, I'll be using Gmail to connect. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, your control center for everything on LBank. Some of the deposit bonuses get you really nice rewards. For example, depositing 50 USDT will get you 5 USDT, and this scales all the way up to a 500 USDT bonus if you deposit 10,000 USDT. And that's not all. We'll cover the other bonuses in a bit. Once your account is ready, the next step is funding it. If you already have crypto, click deposits at the top, then choose deposit cryptocurrency. Select USDT and choose the TRC20 network for low fees. After that, copy the deposit address. Then send your crypto from your wallet or another exchange. Funds usually arrive within 5 to 15 minutes. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first to make sure everything works correctly. Now, if you don't have any crypto yet, LBank gives you 2 easy ways to buy USDT directly on the platform. The first option is one-click buy using a credit or debit card. This lets you buy crypto instantly. It's fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. Just go to buy crypto, select your fiat currency, like USD, enter the amount, choose USDT, and pick a payment provider. Follow the steps, and your USDT will arrive in your spot wallet shortly after. The second option is P2P trading, which lets you buy USDT directly from verified sellers. To do this, go to the P2P section, browse the available sellers, and select one with good ratings. Complete the payment using your local payment method, and the seller will release your USDT into your wallet. P2P is great if you want lower fees or prefer using bank transfers instead of cards. Once your funds arrive, whether through a deposit, card purchase, or P2P, you can check it in your assets. Before we continue, make sure to check the new user rewards section under events page after signing up with my link. Here, you can claim exclusive bonuses, join events to win prizes, airdrops, and other rewards. Basically, free money for joining and being active on the platform. Keep in mind, some rewards may require certain actions like deposits or trading volume. The platform will track your activity, and if you qualify, the bonuses will be credited to your account automatically. Now, if you deposited Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, you'll need to convert it to USDT before you can trade futures. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it. Go to spot trading by clicking spot, then select spot. Search for your trading pair. For example, BTCUSDT. Select market order and choose sell. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert and click sell BTC. This converts your Bitcoin to USDT instantly. And remember, with my link, you're paying 0 fees on this spot trade. Next, you need to move your USDT from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Now here's where you unlock even more bonuses. Go to assets, then click transfer, choose from spot account to futures account. Select USDT, enter the amount, and click confirm. The transfer happens instantly with no fees. Here's the bonus structure. Transfer a cumulative 50 USDT to futures, get a 5 USDT bonus. Transfer 100 USDT, get 10 USDT. Transfer 10,000 USDT, get a 500 USDT bonus. So just by moving your funds from spot to futures, you're getting free money. And that's it. Your USDT is now in your futures wallet and ready for trading. Now let's move on to the main event. Click futures in the main navigation and it will bring you to the futures dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading. I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen. Trading pair selection is at the top left. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT. The price chart is in the center. It shows the historical price movement and you can change the time frame however you like. On the right side, you'll find the order book. Red numbers are sell orders and green numbers are buy orders. The order placement panel is on the far right. This is where you'll place your trades, set leverage, and enter your position size. Finally, at the bottom, there's the positions panel. It shows your active trades, your profit and loss, and your liquidation price. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Now let's open our first trade. Step 1, choose your margin mode. LBank has two main margin modes. First is isolated. This means each position has its own margin. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position. This is safer for beginners. Cross means all positions share your total margin. This is riskier because one bad trade can affect your entire account. For this example, we will use isolated because the risk is limited to each trade. Step 2 is setting your leverage. We'll use 5 times leverage. That means if you deposit $10, your buying power becomes $50, enough to trade without risking too much. LBank allows up to 200 times leverage, but I recommend to start small while learning. Step 3 is choosing your contract unit. You'll notice you have 3 options here. Amount value, which is the contract quantity in BTC cost value, means the opening cost doesn't change with leverage. Nominal value shows the market value of the underlying asset, where the opening cost changes with leverage. For this tutorial, I'll be using nominal value because it adjusts with your leverage, making it easier to control your position size. Step 4 is choosing your order type. Using LBank gives you 4 options to choose from. A limit order lets you buy or sell at a specific price. It only fills if the market reaches your price, so it's not guaranteed to execute. A market order buys or sells instantly at the best available price. This is the fastest way to enter a trade. Trigger orders let you set a target price in advance. When the market reaches that level, it automatically triggers a limit or market order. Post-only orders make sure your order only adds liquidity. If it would execute immediately, it gets cancelled. For this tutorial, we'll use a market order so the trade executes right away. Now set your position size, let's say a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that's $10 of my own capital. Here's the most important part. Always set a stop loss and take profit. Click on TP and SL to open the settings. I'll set my stop loss where I'd lose $2 and take profit where I'd gain $6. That's a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. Once everything looks good, click open long if you think the price will go up, or open short if you expect it to go down. And just like that, your trade is live. Now that your trade is open, you can monitor everything at the bottom of the screen. You'll see your unrealized profit or loss, your entry price, the current market price, and your liquidation price. You can also check your leverage and your position size. If you want to adjust your take profit or stop loss, you can click on the edit button with TP and SL, or even directly on the chart by dragging the lines. If you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even so you can't lose money. You can also adjust your position size while the trade is active. If you want to add to a winning position, simply increase your position size. Or if you want to take partial profits, you can reduce your position size without closing the entire trade. Just go to the positions panel and click on the position to modify it. To close your trade, let your stop loss or take profit close it automatically. Close manually by clicking close in the positions panel. If you want to go short, betting Bitcoin will go down, the process is exactly the same. Just choose sell short instead of buy long. And the USDT goes back to your futures wallet. And remember, every trade you make is helping you unlock those futures trading bonuses. If you reach a cumulative futures trading volume of 25 million USDT, you get a 3,000 USDT bonus. This scales all the way up to 11,845 USDT in bonuses if you reach 250 million USDT in cumulative trading volume. Alright, that's the full breakdown of how to trade futures on LBank, from signing up to opening and managing your first trade. Before you go, use my link in the description to claim your Mr. Crypto Welcome Bonus package. And if you want a more detailed guide on spot trading or other LBank features, check out the videos popping on screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.